We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and balanced overview of the ZIUMIER Camo Gaming Headset. Model Z20, designed for PS4, PS5, Xbox One, PC, laptop, Mac, Switch, and any device supporting a 3.5mm audio jack. If you own this headset, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The ZIUMIER Camo Gaming Headset has quickly established itself as a popular choice among budget-conscious gamers, earning a strong reputation for its combination of affordability, comfort, and performance. With a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 1,200 ratings and a bestsellers rank within the top 100 PlayStation 4 headsets, this headset stands out in a crowded market. The first thing that strikes users is the headset's professional-grade audio, powered by large 50mm dynamic drivers. These drivers deliver deep bass and a virtual surround sound experience that enhances immersion in games, movies, and music. Many reviewers highlight that the sound quality is impressive for the price point, with clear highs, punchy mids, and a satisfying low-end rumble that brings explosions and in-game effects to life. Gamers playing first-person shooters like God of War, Fortnite, PUBG, and CSGO report that the headset helps them pinpoint enemy footsteps and environmental cues, giving them a competitive edge. The frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz ensures that both subtle and intense audio details are faithfully reproduced, making the ZIUMIER Z20 suitable for a wide variety of genres and media. Comfort is another area where the ZIUMIER Z20 excels. The headset is designed with long gaming sessions in mind, featuring lightweight construction and breathable protein memory foam earpads. The over-ear cups are generously cushioned and do not exert excessive pressure, which is a common complaint with many budget headsets. The retractable headbeam and flexible headband allow for easy adjustment, accommodating different head sizes for both adults and teens. Multiple reviewers specifically mention that the headset remains comfortable even after hours of continuous use, and that it does not cause ear fatigue or discomfort, a significant advantage for marathon gaming sessions or remote work. The microphone is a critical component for any gaming headset, and the ZIUMIER Z20 delivers solid performance in this area. It features an omnidirectional, bendable microphone with noise-canceling technology that effectively reduces background noise and ensures clear communication. Users report that their voices come through crisp and intelligible, with minimal interference from ambient sounds. This makes the headset suitable not only for gaming, but also for online meetings, streaming, and voice chats. However, a small number of users have experienced intermittent issues with the microphone cutting out during online sessions, particularly on certain platforms. While most users find the mic reliable, this inconsistency is worth noting, especially for those who rely heavily on voice communication. Compatibility is a major selling point for the ZIUMIER Camo Gaming Headset. And thanks to its standard 3.5mm audio jack, it works seamlessly with a wide range of devices, including PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox One, Xbox Series S, Xbox Series X, Nintendo Switch, PC, laptops, Macs, tablets, and smartphones. For Xbox One controllers with model number 1537, an additional adapter is required, but the headset generally includes the necessary adapters for most setups. This versatility makes it a practical choice for households with multiple gaming systems or for users who switch between devices frequently. Reviewers appreciate the convenience of being able to use a single headset across platforms without the need for multiple products. The headset also features an inline control unit on its 5-foot tangle-free braided cable. This control module includes a rotary volume controller and a microphone mute button, allowing users to make quick adjustments without pausing their game or fumbling with software settings. The cable is praised for its durability and resistance to tangling, although some users note that it can become tangled with frequent movement, which is typical for wired headsets. Aesthetic appeal is another aspect where the ZIUMIER Z20 makes an impression. The camouflage design, combined with LED lighting, gives the headset a distinctive and stylish look that stands out from more conventional designs. The LED lights are powered via a USB connection and add a dynamic visual element when used with a PC. However, one of the most common criticisms is that the LED lighting does not function when the headset is connected to consoles, as the USB connection is only used for lighting and not for audio. This limitation disappoints some users who value the visual flair, especially those who primarily game on consoles. Additionally, a few users mentioned that the lights remain on when the headset is plugged into a PC, requiring them to unplug the headset after each use if they prefer darkness. In terms of build quality, the ZIUMIER Z20 is constructed from a combination of leather and plastic, striking a balance between durability and comfort. The headset weighs approximately 1.15 pounds and feels solid without being overly heavy. The materials used in the earpads and headband contribute to its overall comfort and longevity. Most users find the headset to be well made for its price, though a minority feel that it is somewhat bulky, which may not appeal to those who prefer a more streamlined or lightweight design. Noise isolation is another area where the headset receives praise. The passive noise cancellation provided by the over-ear cups and SnugFit helps block out external distractions, allowing users to focus on their game or media. Reviewers frequently mention that background noise is significantly reduced, enhancing the overall listening experience. This feature is particularly valued in shared living spaces or noisy environments. Setting up the ZIUMIER Z20 is generally straightforward, especially for PC users. Most report that the headset works immediately upon plugging it in, with no need for additional drivers or complicated configuration. However, some PlayStation 5 users have encountered challenges during setup, requiring them to adjust system settings or reconnect the headset multiple times to achieve proper functionality. While this is not a universal issue, it suggests that compatibility may vary slightly depending on the device and its settings. Nevertheless, once configured, the headset performs reliably across platforms. Value for money is a recurring theme in user feedback. Many buyers compare the ZIUMIER Z20 favorably to more expensive gaming headsets, noting that it delivers comparable audio and microphone quality at a fraction of the cost. The inclusion of features such as virtual surround sound, noise-canceling microphone, comfortable earpads, and multi-platform compatibility makes it an attractive option for gamers on a budget or those seeking a reliable backup headset. Parents purchasing for children or teens also appreciate the affordability and durability, making it a sensible choice for younger users. Despite its many strengths, the ZIUMIER Z20 is not without its drawbacks. The most frequently cited issues include the non-functional LED lighting on consoles, occasional microphone reliability problems, and the headset's somewhat bulky profile. Additionally, while the cable is generally durable, it can still become tangled with regular use. Some users would prefer a detachable microphone or wireless connectivity, but these features are typically reserved for higher-priced models. The ZIUMIER Camo Gaming Headset is recommended for gamers seeking a comfortable, versatile, and affordable audio solution that performs well across a range of devices. Its strong audio performance, effective noise isolation, and clear microphone make it suitable for both casual and competitive gaming, as well as for general media consumption and online communication. The stylish camouflage design and LED lighting add visual appeal, particularly for PC users, while the multi-platform compatibility ensures broad usability. In summary, the ZIUMIER Z20 offers an impressive package of features and performance for its price point. Its main strengths include immersive audio, comfortable fit, clear microphone, and wide compatibility. Its primary weaknesses are the limited functionality of the LED lighting on consoles, occasional microphone issues, and a bulkier design that may not suit all users. Overall, the headset receives high marks from the majority of users and is considered a strong contender in the budget gaming headset market. If you are looking for a headset that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank, the ZIUMIER Camo Gaming Headset is well worth considering. Remember, if you have experience with this headset, please share your thoughts in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel.